back to the channel, and also happy new year. So this is going to be the first vlog for the year, and I have to admit it, I failed epically at uploading anything on YouTube in December. I normally try and be very active during December, but last year, I was going to say this year, last year I just was not feeling. I was just busy. I had other things going on, so I just didn't really feel like filming anything. And if you guys have been following me for quite some time, you guys know I don't like filming anything if I don't feel like, well, feel it essentially. Anyway, so it is the 3rd, I believe, the 3rd of January. So we are currently in my filming room, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys a couple of things. There's been a couple of changes here since the last time I vlogged in here. So my partner got me a Christmas present from IKEA. So it's basically set of drawers and also a desk, because I wanted to, well, it's better if I show you. So this is my current filming station. I filmed last night, so there's just a bit of mess. Oh, by the way, this is new. I have been wanting one of these mirrors for like the longest time. So I got this from Target, I think a few weeks ago. So I can finally get rid of this. I only keep this because sometimes I like to film with my phone and I need this. I just need to get one of these little adapters so that I can put this onto that. That way I can put my phone in. Anyway, it's a bit complicated, but okay, so the idea for this particular setup is I want to still have my camera here, but instead of having my iPad on the desk, I want it connected to my computer, and I'll use that as a monitor. So as you guys know, I currently use a Razer book, and also I've got a desktop, but I still wanted to use my iMac that has been sitting here for like, I think the last 2 years now. It hasn't even been turned on. I have to look for the cable, like the power cable, to actually see if it still works. I think it still does, because it was running perfectly fine the last time I used it. Anyway, so this is the present my partner got me. This bag of rubbish there that we'll take out soon. But Alex drawers, and this comes with this desk as well. Really good size. So definitely giving me a little bit more organizational drawers to work with, and then just overall another desk to work with. And then if we move over here, I think I might have shown this cube setup a few vlogs ago, maybe, I don't know. I did vlog during December, but I don't remember if I even uploaded any of those clips. Yeah, so we got these cubes from Bunnings. So they basically just house everything that was in there, but a little bit more organized. So like my partner actually did that for me, thankfully, because I really dislike doing this sort of stuff unless I'm in the mood. Then you guys would have seen, like when I did my organization pieces here, I actually like really organized it. But yeah, I have to be in the mood, whereas my partner, he just loves doing this sort of stuff. So we've kind of, well, I did kind of help by saying yes or no for keeping certain things. But yeah, he pretty much organized all of these. So we got like these, I'd like to say turquoise colors. Yeah, I think this is turquoise boxes. And then we also have this sort of like white and grey patterned one, just to kind of break up the cubes a bit. A few weeks ago, I wouldn't have been able to show you any of this because it would have been just a lot of rubbish essentially. But we also went to a transfer station, which is basically a tip, and got rid of a lot of the boxes that were in here and all the recycling. So there's just a lot of room in here now, and obviously I've just tidied up a bit. Mostly my partner did the tidying up in here, which is great. By the way, also my lips, I'm not wearing a lip stain. I actually used lipsticks last night. I did a swatch video. It was my first makeup video actually for the year. So I received this package. So I received this package from TwoFace. This is Lady Bold, which is really cool. It even has like this screen. I won't turn it on, but it's one of those PR boxes where they actually have a video playing. So yeah, I did a swatch video for all of these on my lips. So I started off with like the nudes, the browns, and then went to the reds and purples, and this was the last shade I wore. And I think all the reds and purples and pretty much this, and I guess this, because I wore this the longest, has really stained my lips. I mean, you can see, ooh, can you see it? Yeah, okay, you can see my lips are like really stained still. But yeah, these are really good lipsticks, by the way, guys. They're super pigmented. It says Empower Pigment Cream Lipstick. Totally believe that. It is so pigmented. Anyway, what's for today's agenda? Not really sure at this point, but I do want to make a coffee, and then I'm going to play a video game, and then maybe film another video tonight. I'm kind of on a roll at the moment. I've also gone back to working just 3 days a week, which is great. during December I actually started working 4 days, yeah, well 3 days and a half, but it pretty much was 4 days, and that took a lot of energy out of me, which is why I also didn't vlog. Hey guys, so it is now Saturday? Yes, it is Saturday, and my partner and I have had a pretty lazy morning, which is great. Always enjoy that on the weekends. So it's now, I think, 3:15, 3:30 in the afternoon. My partner and I are about to head out. We're going to go to the supermarket for one, and then also check in on my sister's apartment. So basically she has been overseas because of COVID, so I've just been checking up on the place every now and then, but she's coming back tomorrow, which I'm really excited, because I haven't seen her in almost 2 years. It was so mind-blowing. So I was talking to my friend Sanita, and we were talking about like my sister coming back, and then I realized she left around, I think, April or May 2 years ago. So it's almost been 2 years. I mean, it's only February, it's only January. Can't keep up with what month it is, but yeah, it's been a while since she's been here, so I'm really excited to have her back. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of spruce the place up a little bit, and also go to the supermarket and grab a couple of things for her, because she's obviously going to be really tired after, I think it ends up to be like a 12-hour flight or something, because she has to stop over somewhere. So I'd imagine she'd be so tired when she arrives here. She probably doesn't want to do anything like go to the supermarket or anything. So I'm just going to grab a couple of things for her and just, you know, get everything ready and nice and clean for her, so that she's just comfortable when she gets here. My partner and I are also going to have our charcuterie board tonight, and I forgot to get the dips last night, so I'm just going to grab this because he loves French onion. I love French onion as well, but he loves it more than I do. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is all the toilet paper. At least there's still some, so that's not too bad, but it's just incredible how much of it's actually gone. Okay, so we have arrived at the apartment, and I've just got some of the groceries, and so I've got the groceries just on the table. I just need to put them away, but I'm waiting for the fridge to cool down first before I actually put them in, because I've just turned everything on today. So yeah. Okay, so I've pretty much put the groceries away, put most of it in the fridge, and the rest I've kind of just left on the bench because I don't know how she likes to organize her stuff, so we'll just leave it at that. I just gave most of the surfaces a bit of a wipe down just because, I don't know, felt like they might have been dirty, so did that. I have been in here a couple of times throughout the last few months, just, you know, checking the place out, and whenever I used to have events in the city or kind of like close to here, I'd come here. If you guys can hear the washing machine, that's just doing its thing, cleaning. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. We just handed off the keys to my sister because I had the only pair of keys. I've since made copies since then, but anyway, and also gave her a rapid antigen test, which is something that she needs to do as soon as she arrives in the country. Apparently she couldn't get any at the airport, so I just gave her a pack. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I will endeavour to try and do more vlogs for you guys. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. It's just really hard with COVID and everything. It's just like I can't do much. I'm just staying at home, and I don't really feel like vlogging when I'm just at home because I do the same stuff all the time. But you know, I'll try and do some fun activities here and there just to see if I can vlog it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.